Hello everyone. In this video, let's learn how to find area bounded between two curves. Here I have written equations of two curves. Curve 1 is y square is equal to 4x and curve 2 is x square is equal to 4y. First of all, we need to trace these two curves. This is x-axis and this is y-axis. As in curve 1 equation we have y square term, this curve will be symmetrical about x-axis. This curve is y square is equal to 4x, and curve 2, as we have x square term here in the equation of curve 2, this curve will be symmetrical about y-axis. If we have x square term in the equation, then it will be symmetrical about y-axis. I will explain how to trace these curves in some another video. For time being, you remember that when we have x square term, then it will be symmetrical about y-axis, and when we have y square term, then it will be symmetrical about x-axis. Now after this, we have to find points of intersection. Just by observation we can see here 0, 0 is the first point of intersection. The another point of intersection can be obtained by solving these two equations. Now let's put value of y from second equation in equation 1. What we get, y is equal to x square by 4. Therefore the left hand side of equation 1 would become x square by 4 raised to 2 is equal to 4x. This implies x raised to 4 by 16 is equal to 4x. This implies x cube is equal to 64, and this implies x is equal to 4. When x is 4, then what is value of y? It can be obtained either by using equation 2 or either equation 1. Okay, y is equal to x square by 4. Therefore 4 square upon 4 is equal to 4. Therefore 4 comma 4 is the second point of intersection, 4 comma 4. And here we are interested in finding this much area bounded between two curves. For that, let's drop a perpendicular from this point on x-axis. Now to get this bounded area, we have to first find area below this curve, under this curve, that is y square is equal to 4x, and subtract area under this curve. This curve is what? X square is equal to 4y. Then we get the required area. Required area is equal to area under this y square is equal to 4x. You separate y from this equation, it will be root of 4x. Integrate this y value in terms of x with respect to x. The limit of x varies from 0 to 4. See, the lower limit of x is 0 and upper limit of x is 4. X is equal to 0 to x is equal to 4 minus area under this curve. You separate y from this equation to find area under this curve. It will give this much area. After subtracting this much area, we will get the bounded area. Okay, value of y from this equation is x square by 4. Limits are again same, x is equal to 0 to x is equal to 4. Now under root of 4 is 2, take it outside as it is constant. We get inside the root x raised to half integration is x raised to n formula x raised to 3 by 2 upon 3 by 2. Lower limit is 0 and upper limit is 4 minus, take 1 by 4 constant outside, and integral of x square is x cube by 3, x cube by 3. Here we are applying x raised to n formula, x raised to n plus 1 upon n plus 1. As this is definite integral, we will not get any constant. We need not to add any constant here. Okay, now this will be 4 by 3. Upper limit, see 4 raised to 3 by 2 minus lower limit 0 raised to anything is 0 minus of 1 by 12. See lower limit 0, upper limit 4. First put upper limit 4 cube minus 0 cube. Now 4 by 3, this 4 we can write 2 square just by manipulation. See, there is no question of the 0 term, minus 1 by 12 into 4 cube. 4 cube is 64. Then 4 by 3, 2 raised to 3 is 8 minus the 4 3s are 12, 4 1s are 4, 4 6s are 24. Here what we get 16 by 3, 4 8s are 32 upon 3 minus 16 by 3. The final answer is 16 by 3 square units. Thank you.